Do we wait in lines usually for things?
No.
What do we wait in line for?
Our weekend ritual.
Which is?
PopUp Bagels.
It's PopUp Bagels. Let's go. Okay, we are heading towards Columbus Circle, west side of Central Park, for some bagels, but not just any bagels, pop-up bagels. Hey, where are we going?
PopUp Bagels.
Yay!
The new Upper West Side.
All right. So we are walking through the Ramble right now. I've never been through here before. Really?
Okay, well, we're not that deep into it yet.
People are bird watching. So we're in pre-Ramble. We're in the preamble of the Ramble. But this is the price we're paying to get bagels. Probably the best bagels we've ever had.
Yeah, I would say so.
We're New Yorkers. We're New Yorkers. Born in bread.
Get it?
While we're walking through the Ramble, we'll do a quick fit check, right? So I'm wearing a sweater from J. Crew.
J. Crew.
It's cotton, but it feels like cashmere. It's super warm and it's got speckles. And glasses from Uniqlo in Japan. Turns out they have the same exact ones here in the United States.
I'm pretty sure this entire outfit is actually from Madewell. The hat is from Madewell, the glasses are from Madewell. I'm pretty sure the sweater's from Madewell. The jeans are also from Madewell. And my sneakers are Hoka, which is my favorite sneaker brand. I wear it in the hospital all the time and all around the city.
All around the city.
As a New York City girl.
As a New York City girl. All right, we can go right or left. Which way do you want us to go? Let me know in the comments in 5, 4, 2, 1. We're going left. Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks so much. Where is she? All right. So we got our bagels, and I got myself a hat because we love PopUp Bagels too much not to have some merch. We got 5 bagels, I think 2 sesame, 3 everything, and the vegan Monty's cream cheese spread.
We're excited.
We got secure at the bag. All right, we are about to eat these bagels. Our favorite bagels.
I love their shmear. This is our first time trying the vegan shmear though from Monty's, so let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Ooh.
I can't wait to try this.
Go for it. First bites.
Oh my god.
It's good.
And vegan.